Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another clean with me. I actually haven't done one of these in a few months and I needed to get some stuff taken care of in my home, just tackle some chores around the house. I figured why not film an up-to-date clean with me. I'm pretty much just going to be going through a majority of my house, tidying things up, cleaning. So if you guys need some motivation or you just need something to throw on while you clean your home, then here you go. And without further ado, let's just get to it.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just gotta knock some vibes. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground.
All right, so we're starting things off by doing some laundry. I have so much laundry that I needed to do that day. And to be honest, as I'm recording this, I still have laundry that I didn't even finish from when I was filming this. I feel like I can never get on top of my laundry. Like, I don't know if any of you are the same. Let me know in the comments if you struggle with staying on top of your laundry, or if you're like a master at it, then help a girl out. Let me know how you get it all done. But I feel like I'm constantly doing laundry and we don't even have kids yet. So I don't even know how I'm going to get that done once we do have children. So I'm just doing a couple loads, and while they are washing, I'm starting things off by tidying up my bedroom, making my bed. I feel so much better every single day when I make my bed. I just feel like it kind of like helps me like feel productive right at the beginning of my day when I get out of bed and just like make my bed so that my room's all nice and tidy. And I know my bed sheets and like my blankets and everything aren't very aesthetically appeasing. Appeasing, is that the right word? But hopefully when we move in the near future, I can get all new bedding. But until then, it works.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too when the lights go out.
So after I finished with my bedroom, I moved into our other room, which is my makeup studio / beauty room. In case you guys didn't know, I am a freelance makeup artist, so I do have clients come to my home to get their makeup done. So I have a little studio space set up in one of our spare rooms, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to do this line of work. I love doing makeup. I love helping women just like kind of like boost their confidence and help them feel a little bit extra special when they're getting photos done or they're going to a special event. And now that everything's open up, business has been taking off a lot more. I'm working with a lot of photographers, and I'm just so grateful that I'm able to do this because it's just such a dream. I love makeup, and I just, like I said, love helping women just feel a little bit better about themselves and help them get ready, whether it's for weddings, photos, and whatnot. And so yeah, I'm just super grateful that I'm able to do what I do, and I love it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss
Okay, so next I moved on to our main bathroom and just needed to clean this bad boy up. And I don't know if I've shared this with you guys before, but I have been using the Everspring cleaner that you can get from Target. It's like an all-purpose, like natural cleaner, and I think it's exclusively sold through Target, and I really, really like it. It's more on the natural side. The bottle, as you can see, is like huge. And it is very, very cheap. I think it's only like a couple dollars, and I know I always rave about Mrs. Meyer's, and I still love that, and I love their holiday scents, but this stuff, I think is great, and like I said, it's super affordable. I use the lemon and mint. That's my favorite smell. So let me know if you guys have tried it, or if you haven't, I would definitely highly recommend it because it's honestly my favorite cleaner right now. Okay, so I have to say something. As I was filming this clip and cleaning my toilet, Dagan had came home from lunch and he came into the bathroom and totally just like popped his head right in front of the camera. And I don't know if any of you guys have husbands and like you film and do this and whatnot, and they just like walk right in front of the camera. I think it's funny because I'm like, how did you not see a huge tripod with a camera right in front of you as you stick your head in front of the camera? But it's just funny that I was looking back at this and I'm like, babe, what? Why are you the way that you are? Still love him though.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Alrighty, so it is the next day and I just got home. I had to run a couple errands and take Chance to his vet appointment. He was needing to get up to date on all of his shots. So we're back home now, but before we start cleaning, I was thinking about doing like a time lapse of some laundry because I have a lot of laundry that I need to do right now that I've been putting off folding. So I figured I'm just gonna do like a quick little like time lapse, throw some music on. So if you guys need to do some laundry at your house or you need to just like clean something, go ahead and pause this video, get what you need to get, and we can clean together for a little bit. And then once I'm done with all the laundry, we will get back to cleaning the rest of my house. So let's do some laundry.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, feel my stop, I'm like a spinning top. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I give up, you won't stop, and I keep spinning. You see right through me, do that to me, so let's do this, baby. You do that something to me, you do that something to my heart. I tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just
Okay, so now that I'm done doing my laundry for the very, very short time being, I'm just vacuuming my living room rug, and I love a freshly vacuumed rug or carpet. I've always said this, that if you don't have a lot of time to like clean an area of your home, just vacuum your rug or your carpet, and it just makes the space feel so much cleaner. And I personally love vacuum lines, so that's just me personally. I also wanted to ask, when you guys watch cleaning videos, do you actually sit and watch them, or do you put them on the background when you clean or when you're doing something else? I've always wondered when people like put on cleaning videos what they're actually doing. Like, are they cleaning themselves, or do they actually just enjoy watching them? Let me know.
gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you
Okay, so the last room that I'm going to be cleaning in our home is our kitchen, and just like laundry, I feel like I really struggle to keep on top of our dishes. And like I said before, it's only Dagan and I, so Lord help me when we do have children. I'm gonna have to be on my A game, because I don't know, dishes are just not something that I enjoy. I know some people love doing dishes, especially hand washing dishes. It's kind of like a therapeutic way for them to relax, and sometimes I wish I was like that, but I don't know. Dishes are just not something that I enjoy, but I will say when I do take the time to do them and clean up my kitchen, it feels way, way better having a clean kitchen with like no dishes in the sink and just everything cleaned off. It doesn't last very long, but when it is clean, it feels really, really good.
a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the It's kinda quiet in my room right now without you. And I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do?
I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was...
Alrighty guys, so that is the end of this clean with me. I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully it gave you some inspiration if you need to tackle some things in your home. It wasn't anything fancy or like super heavy duty deep cleaning. It was just everyday things that I generally clean in my home. But like I said, I hope this gives you a little inspiration. If you enjoy these videos, feel free to subscribe. I would love for you to stick around and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you stopped by, say hi in the comments. I always love chatting with you guys when you do stop by and say something. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next one.